सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। So yesterday we have seen until 10 or 11 shlokas in few books. So vivikta desha sevitvam, I think there are no doubts. Ashuchibhihi sarpavyaghradibhischa rahitaha aranya nadi pulina deva grahadishu. And janasamsadihi means aratihi aramanam janasamsadihi, avoidance of ragadvesha people means avoiding people who talk or deal more of ragadvesha, and being in association with sat savasaha, satsangaha, with gurus, with some kind of a sampradaya. All these are very important. There is a one beautiful shloka. They equate this arthakama people to durjanaha. Durjanaha means what? Bad people. And they give and they call association with durjana people is like a poison. At any time should be away from them. The shloka is very nice. One second, I am recollecting. Takshakasya visham dante makshikayascha mastake vrishchikasya visham pucche sarvange durjanasya tat. Very beautiful, simple. Takshakasya visham dante. Takshaka means the snake. The poison in the snake is in the teeth, dantaha. Makshikayascha mastake means bee. Bee's visham is on the head. Vrishchikasya visham pucche, in the tail, backside. But durjanasya visham sarvange, everywhere. So arthakama people, wherever you touch in their body, they only talk about money and some transactions. And what will I get? How much to give? Some kind of returns. Entire body for them, whatever they speak, whatever they do, everything is because of some motive. That we have to avoid. As a Vedantic student, durjanasya is the association with any kind of vyavahara. People always talking on vyavahara, we have to avoid. That is why most of the people, when they do serious sadhana, they say, nowadays we cannot go out, we cannot participate in the public family function. In family function, what is there? Let's say you go to a marriage or some function, always talking on something nonsense, some issues. They are not talking about marriage itself. Marriage is a divine samskara. They don't talk about that. Talk about somebody else there. Or talk about how much did the boy gave or the girl gave, something like that. Because Vishaya Sukha, for a spiritual person, Vishaya Sukha will make him lose his spiritual energy. More meeting more people, being with people who are of Prakrita Purushaha, in the name of Shankaracharya, what he says, Samskara Shunyanam, Prakritanam, a spiritual person who goes out meeting people, talking unnecessarily will drain his energy, spiritual energy. He cannot have a equipoise state of mind. Many people will say, correct. So satsanga is very important. And very nicely he told, Chittam prasidati. Chittam prasidati means a calm mind. Beautiful Kagga will come to the mind. Gudiya pujaya kataya sogasu notavu hado. ಬಡವರಿಂಗ್ ಉಪಕೃತಿಯೋ ಆವುದೋ ಮನದ ಬಡಿದಾಟವನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯ ನೀ ಒಡೆದೆ. ನೆಮ್ಮದಿ is equal to ಚಿತ್ತ ಪ್ರಸಾದತ here. ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯ ನೀ ಒಡೆದೆ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆಯೋ ಜೀವಕ್ಕೆ ಮಂಕುತಿಮ್ಮ. ಗುಡಿಯ ಪೂಜೆಯೋ ಕಥೆಯೋ ಸೊಗಸು ನೋಟವೋ ಹಾಡೋ ಬಡವರಿಂಗ್ ಉಪಕೃತಿಯೋ ಆವುದೋ ಮನದ. ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೇ ಯು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಸ್. ಬಡಿದಾಟವನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ. ಬಡಿದಾಟ here means the distractions of the mind, the ಚಾಂಚಲ್ಯತ್ವ of the mind. ಬಡಿದಾಟವನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯ. ನೆಮ್ಮದಿ means what? ಸತ್ಸಂಗ. ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯ ನೀವು ಒಡೆದೆ ಜೀವ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆಯೋ ಜೀವಕ್ಕೆ ಮಂಕುತಿಮ್ಮ. ಶಂಕರ ಭಾಷೆ ಆರಾಂಶ ಕಗ್ಗ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ದೇವ ಮಂದಿರ ಭಜನೆ ಪೂಜೆ ಪ್ರಸಾದಗಳು ಜೀವನದ ಅಲಂಕಾರ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಉದ್ಧಾರ. ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ಚಿತ್ತ ಪ್ರಸಾದತ ಸತ್ಸಂಗ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಹೋಲಿ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್, ಡಿವೈನ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್. If you have any other people's association, that is arthakama pradhana, mind is full of stress. Think that we saw yesterday. Now continuing. Adhyatma jnana nityatvam tatnartha darshanam etagyanamiti proktam अज्ञानम यदतोऽन्यथा.
अध्यात्म ज्ञान नित्यत्वं तत्त्वज्ञानार्थ दर्शनम् एतज्ज्ञानमिति प्रोक्तम् अज्ञानं यदतोऽन्यथा.
The last shloka, which talks about virtues, qualities. Nirbeka. Here he says, etad jnanamiti proktam. All these virtues are jnanam, which we have seen in the introduction and which Shankaracharya is stressing after every shloka in the Bhashyam itself. So we will read the Bhashyam. Kincha adhyatma jnana nityatvam.
Kincha adhyatma jnana nityatvam.
Atmadi vishayam jnanam adhyatma jnanam.
आत्मादिविषयं ज्ञानम् अध्यात्म ज्ञानम्.
तस्मिन् नित्यभावः.
तस्मिन् नित्यभावः.
नित्यत्वम्.
नित्यत्वम्.
अमानित्वादीनां ज्ञानसाधनानां भावना परिपाकनिमित्तं तत्त्वज्ञानम्.
अमानित्वादीनां ज्ञानसाधनानां भावना परिपाक निमित्तं ज्ञानम्.
तस्यार्थः मोक्षः संसारोपरमः. तस्य आलोचनं तत्त्वज्ञानार्थदर्शनम्.
तस्य आलोचनं तत्त्वज्ञानार्थदर्शनम्.
तत्त्वज्ञानफलालोचने हि तत्साधनानुष्ठाने प्रवृत्तिः स्यातिति.
तत्त्वज्ञानफलालोचने हि तत्साधनानुष्ठाने प्रवृत्तिः स्यादिति.
There should be actually a comma, it is missing. After he put a comma. एतद् अमानित्वादि तत्त्वज्ञानार्थदर्शनात् उक्तं ज्ञानमिति प्रोक्तम्.
एतद् अमानित्वादि तत्त्वज्ञानार्थदर्शनात् दर्शनात् अमुक्तं ज्ञानम् इति प्रोक्तम्
ज्ञानार्थत्वात् अज्ञानं यत् अतः अस्मात् यतोक्तम् अस्मात् यतोक्तात् अन्यथा विपर्येण
ज्ञानार्थतत्त्वात् अज्ञानं यत् अथः
अस्मात्
अस्मात् यथोक्तात् अन्यथा विपर्ययेण
मानित्वं दम्भित्वं हिंसा आक्षान्तिः अनार्जवम् इत्यादि अज्ञानं विज्ञानं परिहरणाय संसार प्रवृत्तिकारणत्वात् इति
मानित्वं दम्भित्वं हिंसा अक्षान्ति अनार्जवम् इत्यादि अज्ञानं विज्ञेयं परिहरणाय संसार प्रवृत्ति
कारणत्वात् इति ओके वेरी नाइस किंच मोरोवर अध्यात्म ज्ञान नित्यत्वम which is in the moolam in the shloka. What is that? He says आत्मादि विषयम ज्ञानम आत्मादि विषयम ज्ञानम अध्यात्म ज्ञानम. Very simple. आत्मादि विषयम आत्मः आदि means what? आत्मः परमात्मः and जगत त्रिपुटिः. आत्मा is equal to जीवात्मा, Paramatma is equal to the Lord, and Prapanchaha Jagat Triputi. Triputi here means the entire Upanishads or the entire Vedic literature talks about these three only. So if you think on this, or if you all this is called Adhyatma Jnanam, is equal to spiritual knowledge. Atmadi Vishayam Jnanam. May you know about what is Jivatma. May you know what is Paramatma. May you also know what is Jagat. This is called Adhyatma Jnanam. Ishvara Vicharaha, Jiva Vicharaha, Jagat Vicharaha. So there are three. So after that, we have to come to two. The Jivaha, Jivatma and Paramatma are not two separate. Superficially only are the separate. So I remove the adjective. Jivaha I remove. Parama I remove. I make it as Atma. Then what is left over? Jagat is left over. From the three we came to two. And now we have to make it one. Jagat is only Karya Rupaha. It cannot exist independently. So without Atma being the substratum for the Karya, it cannot exist. So Adhyatma Jnana Nityatva means I think only about Atma, not Jivatma, not Paramatma. Both are a costumes for Atma. I remove both of the costumes and I also remove the effect, that is Jagat, and I am the cause. This is called Adhyatma Jnana Nityatvam. And Tasmin Nitya Bhavaha. Nitya Bhavaha means may you remember this always. Remember Nitya Bhavaha. Nitya Bhave, may you remember for a long time. Not only during the class. You remember during the class and you also remember some other time. This Shravana Manana Nididhyasanam or Shravana only. Leave Mananam and Nididhyasanam. This Shravanam again and again on this same Jivatma, Paramatma, Jagat. Then Jivatma, Paramatma. Then only Atma. Again and again is called as Tasmin Nitya Bhavaha. May you always think for a long time. So from Triputi, from Jiva Jagat Ishvara to Atma Jagat, from Atma Jagat to Atma. Eka Atma is Adhyatma. Very nice. Eka Atma to from Jiva Jagat Ishvara to Atma Jagat to Atma. Ekatma is equal to Adhyatma. Very nice. That Ekatma is nothing but Aham Brahmasmi. Simple. And the next, Amanitvadinam Jnana Sadhananam Bhavana Paripaka Nimittam Tattva Jnanam. Amanitvadi, these 20 virtues starting from Amanitvadinam, these are all called as Jnana Sadhananam. Yes. Bhavana Paripakaha means I constantly pursue all these 20 virtues. These pursuit of 20 virtues diligently, very religiously is called as Jnana Sadhana. That is what he is telling. Bhavana Paripakaha is equal to Jnana Sadhana. That Jnana Sadhana is Amanitvadi Gunaha. Very important. We have to develop these virtues and at the same time do the vichara. Both should go hand in hand. That is what from the day one we are telling. Never give up the virtues after Jnanam, or don't say these are irrelevant. Both are irrelevant when always. Always these two are being relevant in the relevance only. Never give up. Nimittam Tattvajnanam. Tasyartaha. Tasyartaha, we have to split. Tasyaha means what? Tattvajnanasya. Tattvajnanasya means moksha jnanasya. Tattvajnanasya is equal to adhyatma jnanaha. Arthaha is there. Arthaha here means not the meaning. Arthaha here means prayojanam. What is the prayojan of adhyatma jnana? The prayojan of adhyatma jnana is moksha. So how do you write? Tasyartaha is equal to tattvajnanasya and arthaha is equal to moksha. So here he says there, tasyartaha moksha samsaroparamaha. So by constant pursuing of the of these 20 virtues and doing the vicharaha about jiva jagat ishvaraha, I get a prayojana, that is moksha. This moksha will help me in samsara uparamaha. Uparamaha means which is diminishing. Samsaraha is diminishing. Tasya alochanam tattvajnanartha darshan. Simple. Tasya alochanam. May you constantly do that. Instead of talking something else, talk on this. Talk on this means what? Not on Jagat. Jagat is Karya Rupa. Talk on the Karna Rupa. Because talking on Jagat is never ending. Effects are many. Gurudev, logic of spirituality. Effects are many, but the cause is one. Sudden naga gnapaka agbeku. ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಗುರುದೇವ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ತತ್ವಜ್ಞಾನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ತತ್ವಜ್ಞಾನ ಫಲಾಲೋಚನೆ ಹಿ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕಾಮ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲಮೇಟರಿ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫೈನ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ತತ್ವಜ್ಞಾನ ಫಲಾಲೋಚನೆ ಹಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಹಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ ಹಿ. Tattvajnana phalalochanehi, only if you remember what? Tattvajnana, only if you remember about the fruit of Tattvajnana. Tattvajnana is equal to Atmajnana. Atmajnana phala is equal to moksha. Alva? See how he connects. Tattvajnana is equal to Atmajnana. Atmajnana is equal to moksha. Tattvajnana phalalochanehi, if you remember the moksha phala, which is Anandaha, then your pursuit will be strong. Your pursuit of vicharaha and these 20 virtues, developing these 20 qualities will be strong. He says, tat sadhana anushtanena pravrittihi syatiti. If I know that I can get moksha by doing vicharaha, that is jnana vicharaha, jivatma paramatma jagat vicharaha, and developing these 20 qualities, I will get moksha. If I get moksha, I can be happy. Tat sadhana anushtanena. Tat sadhana is equal to vimshati gunani plus vicharena. Tat sadhana anushtan. Pravritti syat. Pravritti means commitment. You will give quality time to study this. Quality time one will give to study this. तस्य प्रवृत्ति स्यात् इति एतत् अमानित्वादि अमानित्वादि तत्वज्ञानार्थ दर्शनम उक्तम ज्ञानमिति प्रोक्तम. So since these 20 virtues are helping a sadhaka to be in jnanam, etat amanitwadi tatvajnanartha sadhanat, figuratively called as jnanam. Why it was told that is uktam jnanam iti proktam? May you consider this as jnanam, because all these 20 qualities are bringing you towards the vicharaha. Jnanarthatvat. When all these are jnanam, what is the opposite? When these 20 virtues are called as jnanam, what is opposite? All these 20 virtues opposite to these are called ajnanam. See there, ajnanam yat ataha asmat yatoktan anyatha. Anyatha viparyena. Viparyena is opposite to jnanam is ajnanam. Anyatha viparyena ajnanam ataha. What is that? Amanitvam. What is the opposite to amanitvam? Manitvam. Simple. Dambhitvam, adambhitvam, tadabhavaha. Himsa, ahimsa. Akshantihi, kshantihi. Kshantihi is jnanam. Akshantihi is ajnanam. Arjavam. Arjavam already is there. In jnanam, A is already there. Then don't write arjavam, you have to write n, anarjavam. Ityadi ajnanam vijnanam pariharanaya. Means may you spot these ignorance as a cause for samsara. As and when they rise, may you spot this. Pariharanaya. Because these ajnanam will come without invitation. They don't need any invitation. You just open a small door, a small window, they'll just rush in. You will say, why rushing? It is already there. No rushing, it is already there. We can in fact share this. Many people, much Akshaya Patra. Every day is Akshaya. The more I give, it is becoming more and more. We say now, Dhanam you have to do so that everything will become more for you. So I'm doing daily Ahankara Dhyanam, Dhambitvam Dhyanam, but it is keep on Vruddhi. That is why a thief will come to your house with permission, is it? He will just come. All these are like thieves. Without telling you, they will, we don't know. Just 2 hours, we'll be talking with some people who would have developed some raga. Somehow some dvesha will come. Some business deal, somehow you will see to that this is the plan. Next year so much profit. Mind runs like anything. Just like thief will not come without invitation. These are all 20 ajnanams. Mind you, I'm talking about the last 2 lines. Will just come to your house without invitation. We have to spot them and be clear. Because the more we allow them, it will nourish such thoughts. What thoughts? These ajnanam, dhambitvam, manitvam, himsa, such thoughts. When you nourish in your mind, it will become samsara. Then you cannot come out. It is a bigger net. Very, very big net. Like internet. We have to spot them and rectify then and there itself. Don't take time. That is why in psychology they call it a different term for this. They call as emotional intelligence. Spotting the weaknesses and then sorting out that movement is called emotional intelligence. One should be brave enough to see and then say, put a dam in your mind. ಎರಡು ಕೋಣೆಗಳ ನೀನ್ ಮಾಡು ಮನದಾಲಯದಿ ಹೊರ ಕೋಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಗರಾಟಗಳ ನಾಡು ವಿರಮಿಸೊಬ್ಬನೇ ಮೌನದೊಳ ಮನೆಯ ಶಾಂತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವರಯೋಗ ಸೂತ್ರವಿದು ಮಂಕುತಿಮ್ಮ. ಎರಡು ಕೋಣೆಗಳ ನೀನ್ ಮಾಡು ಮನದಾಲಯದಿ, ಹೊರ ಕೋಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಗರಾಟಗಳ ನಾಡು, ಒಳ ಕೋಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊಬ್ಬನೆ ಮೌನ ಮನೆಯ ಶಾಂತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕಗ್ಗ ಶಂಕರ ಭಾಷ್ಯವೇ. ಸೊ ದಂಭಿತ್ವಂ ಹಿಂಸಾ ಕ್ಷಾಂತಿ ಅನಾರ್ಜವಂ ಇತ್ಯಾದಿ ಅಜ್ಞಾನಂ ವಿಪರ್ಯೇಣ ಪರಿಹರಣಾಯ. ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ದೆಮ್, ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ನರಿಶ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಹೇ ಅಹಂಕಾರ, ಸೋ ನೈಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್. ಹೇ ದಂಭ. All these qualities are told in a story format in Ramayanam, Mahabharatam. One qualities, one characters. Rama being the Atma Purushaha, a Maryada Purushottama, is given the status of Atmaha. Atma is in the form of Ramaha. Ravana is in the form of Ahankaraha, Dambhitvam. So the constant tug of war between Atma, the Satyam, and Ravana, the Mithya. Think entire story, all Puranas talk only on this, because Tattva Jnana is very difficult to understand. That is why stories. But then people will talk more only on stories. If you know this, that is all secondary. Pariharanaya samsara pravritti karanatvatiti. If you say them, let them be there, it's okay. I am large-hearted enough. Let all these 20 ajnanams, dhambitvam, himsa, all of them, let it be there. Then gone case you are. Samsara pravritti karanatvat. Pravritti, it will make you grow in what? Not in jnanam, or not as a dharmika purushaha, as prakrita purushaha, as samskara shunya purushaha. Samsara pravritti karanatvat iti. Hence they are called as ajnanam. Shankaracharya is telling these virtues are why jnanam, because opposite to all these are ajnanam. With this, we have concluded 13th chapter, qualities. Now we shall go to 16th chapter. ಷೋಡಶ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯ. ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಓಕೆ. ದೈವಿ ಆಸುರಿ ರಾಕ್ಷಸಿ ಚ.
ದೇವಿ ಆಸುರಿ ರಾಕ್ಷಸಿ ಚ
ಇತಿ ಪ್ರಾಣಿನಾಂ ಪ್ರಕೃತಯಃ ನವಮೇ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯೇ ಸೂಚಿತಾಃ. ತಾಸಾಂ ವಿಸ್ತರೇಣ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನಾಯ ಅಭಯಂ ಸತ್ವಸಂಶುದ್ಧಿಃ ಇತ್ಯಾದಿಃ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯಾಃ ಆರಭ್ಯತೆ.
ತಾಸಾಂ ವಿಸ್ತರೇಣ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನಾಯ ಅಭಯಂ ಸತ್ವಸಂಶುದ್ಧಿಃ ಇತ್ಯಾದಿ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯಾಃ ಆರಭ್ಯತೆ.
ತತ್ರ ಸಂಸಾರ ಮೋಕ್ಷಾಯ ದೈವಿ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಃ ನಿಬಂಧಾಯ ಆಸುರಿ ರಾಕ್ಷಸಿ ಚ ಇತಿ.
ತತ್ರ ಸಂಸಾರ ಮೋಕ್ಷಾಯ ದೈವಿ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಃ ನಿಬಂಧಾಯ ಆಸುರಿ ರಾಕ್ಷಸಿ ಚ
ರಾಜಸಿ ಚ ಇತಿ. ರಾಕ್ಷಸಿ ಚ ಇತಿ. ದೈವ್ಯಾಃ ಆದಾನಾಯ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನಂ ಕ್ರಿಯತೆ. ಇತರಯೋಃ ಪರಿವರ್ಜನಾಯ ಚ. He has to give introduction for everything. This is a guna of Satpurusha. Just like that, he will not talk. Even in between shlokas, at least one line introduction he will give. And this introduction is very nice. He says, what is the introduction? I have spoken about this Daiva Guna already in the 9th chapter. May you please refer that. I don't have patience to talk on that now. Daivi Asuri Rakshasi cha iti Praninam. Praninam is equal to Manushyanam. Daiva Gunaha आसुरी गुणः राक्षसी गुणः प्राकृतस्य means स्वभावतयः संस्कारेण वा or in the terms of or if it is already there in me as a vasana प्रकृतयः नवमे अध्याये सूचिताः. In 9th chapter I have already told, but why Krishna is talking again here? Tasam vistarena pradarsanaya, to elaborate what is told in the 9th chapter. 9th chapter only one shloka it was there. Which shloka? Let us see. 1 second. 9th chapter. ನೋಡಬೇಕು ನಿಮಿಷ. 9th ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಹಾ 13th ಶ್ಲೋಕ ನೋಡಿ. 13th 12th ಇದು. 12th ಶ್ಲೋಕ. ಮೋಘಾಶ ಮೋಘ ಕರ್ಮಾಣಃ ಮೋಘ ಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿಚೇತಸಃ ರಾಕ್ಷಸೀಂ ಆಸುರೀಂ ಚೈವ. ಹೇಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್? ರಾಕ್ಷಸೀಂ ಆಸುರೀಂ ಚೈವ ಕೃತಮೋಹಿನೀಂ ಶ್ರಿತಾಃ. This one shloka, he said it's already been told. I have already commented there, but since Krishna is elaborating, I will also elaborate. Rakshasaha asurim chaiva. One may get a doubt. What is Rakshasaha and what is Asurihi? So Shankaracharya doesn't answer. We have to fall at the feet of Anandagiri. In the Tippani, if you see there, Anandagiri writes, a Manushyaha is of two nature. He is a nature of Asuri Sampat and Rakshasi Sampat. How do you differentiate whether he is an Asuri or Rakshasi? He says both are Rajasic people. He says Asuri people are Raga Pradanaha and Rakshasa people are Dvesha Pradanaha. Ragaha and Dveshaha. Example, Asuras are Raga Pradanaha. Is politicians. All our politicians are Asuras. Isn't it? Perfect example. And Dvesha Pradanaha, Rakshasas, all terrorist groups. In same human, you have these two qualities. See, that's why Shankaracharya also at times he will not answer. Purva Acharya's help only we have to take. If Madhusudana Saraswati did not come here and tell, we could not know what it is. Anyways, Tasam Vistarena, in the 9th chapter we saw that. Vistarena Pradarsanaya Abhayam Sattva Samshuddhihi etc. Ityadihi Adhyayaha Arabhyate. It is beginning. Tatra Samsara Mokshaya Daivi Prakritihi. Samsara Mokshaya Daivi Prakritihi means Samsara Nashaya Daivi is equal to Jnanam. How there in the 13th chapter these virtues we took as Jnanam, here also all these Daivi Guna Sampat we have to take as Jnana Sampat. That word is different. There as Jnana Sadhanani, here Daiva Sadhanani. Daivi Prakritihi Nibandhaya Asuri is equal to Raga, taking Madhusudana Saraswati, Rakshasi Dveshaha Cha iti. Nibandhanaya means it makes me to be in more bondage. Human means Rajasika Purushaha. We have to see whether we are Raga Pradanaha or Dvesha Pradanaha. Do we always hate somebody or do we always take something from somebody? Snatch away from that person. Life is very short. You have to make money fast so that you can keep this in your bank account and later on enjoy. Enjoy for what? You have to enjoy for your own health. 5,000, 6,000 rupees monthly bill. Health. Because yardo duddu. So Manushya andre ee Asura Sampattu Daivi Sampattu natural ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Nibandhaya Nibandha is equal to bandhanaha. Daivyaha. Daivya adhanaya pradarsanam kriyate. Let us see all these with descriptions. Itarayoho parivarjanaya. Itarayoho means Itaraha is Daivi, Asuri, and Rakshasi. Itaraha, Daiva was not there, only Rakshasi and Asuri was there. Itaraha, you have to add Daivi also, because that is also one of the quality we have to develop. And Parivarjanaya, by giving up. By giving up what? Asuri Sampat and Daivi Sampat, and developing Daivi Sampat. It should not be ulta. By giving up Daivi Sampat, may I develop Asuri and Rakshasi Sampat. Husharag hakbekala. Parivarjana yacha means I develop Daivi Sampat and give up these two, Asuri and Rakshasi. This is the introduction. Shloka. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Abhayam Sattva Samshuddhihi Jnana Yoga Vyavasthitihi Danam Damascha Yajñascha Swadhyayastapa Arjavam Ahimsa Satyamakrodaha Tyagashantirapaishunam Daya Bhuteshvalo Luptvam Ardavam Hrira Chapalam Tejakshama Shaucham Adroho Nati Manita Bhavanti Sampadam Daivi Abhijatasya Bharata.
Shri Bhagavanuvacha Abhayam Sattva Samshuddhi Jnana Yoga Vyavasthitihi Danam Damascha Yajñascha Swadhyayastapa Arjavam Ahimsa Satyam Tyagashantirapaishunam Daya Bhuteshvaro Luptam Mardavam
Hrira Chapalam Tejakshama Shaucham Adroho Nati Manita Bhavanti Sampadam Daivi Abhijatasya Bharata. Bhashyam. Abhayam Abhiruta Sattva Samshuddhihi Sattvasya Antakaranasya Samshuddhihi
Sattva Samshuddhihi Sattvasya Antakaranasya Samshuddhihi
Samvyavahareshu Paravanchana Maya Anrutadi Parivarjanam.
Samvyavahareshu Paravanchana Maya Anrutadi Parivarjanam.
Shuddha Sattva Bhavena Vyavaharaha Ityartaha.
Shuddha Sattva Bhavena Vyavaharaha Ityartaha.
Jnana Yoga Vyavasthitihi
Jnana Yoga Vyavasthitihi
Jnanam Shastrataha Acharyatascha Atmadi Padarthanam.
Jnanam Shastrataha Acharyatascha Atmadi Padarthanam
Avagatanam Indriya Dyupasamharena Ekagrataya Swatma Samvedyata Apadanam Yogaha.
Avagatanam Indriya Yupasamharena Ekagrataya Swatma Samvedyata Padanam Yogaha.
Tayoho Jnana Yogayoho Vyavasthitihi Vyavasthanam Tannishtata Yesha Pradhana Daivi Satviki Sampat Sampat Yatra cha yesham adhikrutanam ya prakritihi sambhavati satviki sa uchyate.
यत्र येषाम् अधिकृतानां सात्विकी स उच्यते।
दानं यथाशक्तिः संविभागो अन्नादीनां
दानं यथाशक्ति संविभागः अन्नादीनां
दमश्च बाह्यकरणानाम् उपशमः
दमश्च बाह्यकरणानाम् उपशमः
अंतःकरणस्य उपशमं शान्तिं वक्ष्यति।
अंतःकरणस्य उपशमं शान्तिं वक्ष्यति।
यज्ञश्च श्रौतः अग्निहोत्रादिः स्मार्तश्च दैवयज्ञादिः इल्वा ओके स्वाध्यायाः ऋग्वेदाध्ययनम् अदृष्टार्थं
स्वाध्यायः ऋग्वेदात्
तपः
अदृष्टं
तपः वक्ष्यमाणं शरीरादि
तपः वक्ष्यमाणं शरीरादि
आर्जवं ऋजुत्वं सर्वदा
आर्जवं ऋजुत्वं सर्वदा.
Okay, here in this 16th chapter, Shankaracharya, very in the 13th chapter itself, it was all one-liners. Here he makes maybe half a line. All the divine qualities, he just makes half a line. And wherever there is a repetition, 3-4 places, there is a repetition in the same chapter, that is 16th chapter in 3 shlokas. And also there is a repetition of previous 13th chapter. So there he says, I have already told, may you please refer that. So we will also follow the same thing. So abhayam means fearlessness, but Shankaracharya doesn't write like that. He says abhiruta means it is derived from the root bhiruhu. Bhiruhu means getting scared or being frightened. From this word only Bhairavaha has come. Abhirutaha is equal to Bhiruhu is equal to Bhairavaha. So how Bhairava peoples, they look very scared, frightened, because none of their sense organs will be in their respective golakams, respective positions. Everything would have come out. Tongue won't be inside, tongue would have come out. Teeth won't be inside the mouth, it would have come in the end of the lips. Bhairavaha. So Bhiruhu, scared. So we have to ask question, why should we get scared? What is the reason? Dvitiyad why bhayam bhavati? Because when we think there is something else apart from me, then in the process of achieving that, if we don't achieve, we get disappointed. Through disappointment, fear will also come. Whether will I achieve or not? What happens if I don't achieve? Whatever it might be. It might be a post you are looking for in this world or in the higher world. Abhayam, be fearless. That is the message of Swami Vivekananda. Be fearless. What will happen in the future? ಮುಂದೇನು ಮತ್ತೇನು ಇಂದಿಗ ಮಾತೇಕೆ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಬರಳಿ ಬಂದಾಗಳ ಚಿಂತೆ ಹೊಂದಿಸುವನಾರು ನಿನ್ನಾಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇರಿಹನು ಇಂದಿಗಿಂದಿನ ಬದುಕು ಮಂಕುತಿಮ್ಮ. ಮುಂದೇನು ಮತ್ತೇನು ಇಂದಿಗ ಮಾತೇಕೆ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಬರಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗಳ ಚಿಂತೆ ಹೊಂದಿಸುವನಾರು ನಿನ್ನಾಳಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯವರಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಹೊಂದಿಸುವನಾರು ನಿನ್ನಾಳಲ ಬೇರಿಹನು ಇಂದಿಗಿಂದಿನ ಬದುಕು ಮಂಕುತಿಮ್ಮ. ದಿವಸದಿಂ ದಿವಿಸಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಿಷದಿಂ ನಿಮಿಷಕ್ಕೆ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವ ಚಿಂತಿಸದೆ ಬದುಕ ನೂಕುತಿರು ವಿವರಗಳ ಜೋಡಿಸುವ ಯಜಮಾನ ಬೇರಿಹನು ಸೆರೆಸುನೀಂ ಜನುಮವನು ಮಂಕುತಿಮ್ಮ. ಅಭಯಂ ಸಪ್ತ ಅಭಯಂ ಮುಗಿತು. ಇಂದಿನ ಇವತ್ತಷ್ಟೇ ಮುಗೀತು. ಬದುಕನ್ನು ನೂಗ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಕೇಳು, ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ವೈ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ, ಬದುಕನ್ನು ನೂಕುತ್ತಿರು. Today I have somehow, with some grace or with some prarabdha, I have finished this day. No appointments, no future thing. Today I had food, I had a place to stay, fine. I plan something, it will have something else. ವಿವರಗಳ ಜೋಡಿಸುವ ಯಜಮಾನ ಬೇರಿಹನು. See, every day there is some kind of prarabdha has to get exhausted. If we go against that, who will take care of this prarabdha then? We are postponing the prarabdha. ವಿವರಗಳ ಜೋಡಿಸುವ ಯಜಮಾನ ಬೇರಿಹನು ಇಂದಿನ ಬದುಕು. ಅಭಯಂ, fear of God, fear of being lonely, fear of walking in the night, fear of sleeping alone in the night, fear of losing somebody, fear of losing something. Fear of losing a job, EMIs, lot of fear. Every day life is running only with fear. That is why stress. Abhayam, so Shankaracharya is telling, bhiruhu varjanam. Simple. Don't get frightened. Everything is happening according to one's prarabdha. Face it bravely. As most of you are aware, Swami Vivekananda, when he was going to some place in Calcutta, he took a train, and a monkey started approaching him, and then he was frightened. He was just running. There was some beggar saying, a beggar or a monk told Vivekananda, stop there, don't run, face it. Then he immediately turned towards monkey. All the monkey ran away. Then he made a statement, be fearless. Face the situation. Face it that moment you face. Don't postpone. Come what may. When you don't have anything agenda, you cannot be fearful. If you have agenda that I have to do like this, these are my projects, I have to keep everything right for my spouse, for my children, for my father, it will create a lot of stress in you. The stress is because of fear. As a spiritual person, you do not have any agenda in your life. Your agenda is only moksha. I have to get moksha. That is the only agenda. In fact, that is the best seva. If I get moksha, everybody are free. Abhayam. Bhiru. Very nice. Next, Sattva Samshuddhi. Second quality. Second, Daivi Sampat. Sattva Samshuddhi means mental purity. What he says, Sattvasya Antakaranasya Samshuddhi. We have already seen in the previous chapter, 13th chapter. Samshuddhi. And what kind of purity? He says, Samvyavahareshu. In all the worldly transactions have meant purity. Very important. Very, very important. In all my worldly transactions, let me be pure when I work, with not double standards. Let me not cheat people. Let me not hurt them. Let me not be dishonest. These are the words. See there. Samvyavahareshu paravanchanam. Paravanchanam means cheating. In the name of business, we cheat. We think nobody is seeing. Prarabdha will not allow. Paravanchanam, may you not cheat. Maya. Maya means not Mayavati or Brahman plus Maya. Maya here means being dishonest. We should not be dishonest. Honesty in all our vyavaharams should be there. Anrutaha, telling the truth. Untruth, telling lies. Anrutaha varjanam, parivarjanam. At any point of time. At any point of time, you should not cheat. You should not be dishonest. You should not tell lies. In the name of work, in the name of business. If we are a spiritual student or a Vedantic student, all these have to be mandatorily followed. Then let there be no work at all. Take the example of Harishchandra. The character why Harishchandra is given because of all these three. He maintained all these things. He told truth. He was honest. He did not cheat. One line, Harishchandra's chapter in Mahabharata runs to 25,000 shlokas. This one line. This is mental purity, he says. Shuddha sattva bhavena vyavaharaha ityartha. In all the transactions, have a clean mind. Shuddha sattva bhavena. There should not be any motive of cheating or hurting somebody, being dishonest. Let me take the money. Let me loot. Who will see? Next. Jnana yoga vyavasthitihi. Beautiful. Jnana yoga vyavasthitihi. That is the next quality. Jnanam shastrataha acharyatascha atmadi padarthanam avagamaha. Shastraha. Shastra is equal to learn Shastra from the Acharya. That means what? Shravanam. Atmadi Padarthana means learn from the Acharya, from the Guru, about the Atma Vichara. From the topic here, Atma Vichara. Acharya, that is Shravana Manana. Atmadi Padarthana Avagamaha. Avagamaha means Sthira Prajnaha. May my mind not deviate from any other vicharas, even if it is dharmika vichara. Very important. Here Shankaracharya says, only on Atma vichara. Enough of dharma, enough of arthakama, enough of all stories, enough of all karma, enough of all upasanas. Only Atma Chintana, vicharaha, Shravana Manana Nidhyasana. Only that, nothing else. Because there is no end for karma. If you say I need a few more years time, few more time for chitta shuddhi, it cannot happen. If you say few more time for upasana, it cannot happen. It is a bigger net. It is a divine net. Think. A beautiful net where you will not know, you will think that you are progressing in life. You are very spiritual, but once you are caught forever. Jnanam shastrataha acharyatascha atmadi padarthanam avagamaha is equal to sthira prajnaha. I know I want to be constant. My mind should not go here and there. Focus only on Atma Vicharaha. Avagatana means may you internalize this knowledge. Which knowledge? Atma knowledge. Avagatana indriyadyupasamharena. How do you focus on Atma Vicharaha? By withdrawing the Indriyas. Indriyad upasamharena. Upasamhara means withdrawing. From where? From the worldly actions. Indriyas can go only out to the world. So upasamharena, ekagrataya, with full focus and concentration. Swatma samvedyata padanam. For some time, daily, every day, may you do Atma Vichara for 1 hour. That is why every day we are having class. This is Shravanam and 1 hour for Mananam. If possible, half an hour for Nididhyasanam. Rest of the time in next 24 hours, if you give 2.5 hours for this, the next 20, 21, 22 hours, you can do all your Laukika work. So for some time, Swatma Samvedyata Apadanam Yoga. Yoga here is equal to Nididhyasanam. So he covered Shravana Manana in Shastra Acharyatascha, and he covered Yoga, that is Nididhyasanam, and internalizing this knowledge, making it your own, branding this knowledge. What is your brand? Atma Jnanam is my brand. Claiming my own glory. Claiming your own glory, you don't need any support from anybody. You don't need Devata support, you don't need Laukika people support, you don't need Vaidika people support. To claim your own glory, which support you want? You should just give quality time for yourself. Look for a place, do Shravana, hear this Vichara, Manana, get convinced, and claim your own nature as Aham Brahmasmi. Neha Nanasti Kinchana. Sarvam Khalvidam Brahma. Aham Eva Asmi. Brahma Eva Asmi. Yoga. Tayoho Jnana Yogayoho Vyavastitihi Vyavasthanam Tannishtha. Well established. This in this Jnana Yoga, this Jnana Yoga Vyavastitihi. Vyavastitihi means a scheme of study. What is the scheme of study? Shravana, Manana, and Nididhyasana. Vyavastitihi, Vyavasthanam, Tannishtha. I am very well established in the Vichara what I am doing. I am convinced in this. Yeah, very important line now. Yesha Pradhanam Daivi Satviki Sampat. He says, give up all this 20 now. All this 13th chapter, not important. This Abhayam Sattva Shumsi is not important. Evam Pradhanam Daivi, this Jnana Yoga, doing Shravana Manana Nididhyasana alone is sufficient. Yesterday, as Arti asked in the question, if this can bring naturally all the other gunas will naturally come. Yes, Shankaracharya says that. But focus should be only on this. Esha Pradhanam Daivi Satviki Sampat. This is the primary Sampat. I need to do japa, I need to do. Yes, you have to do. Who says no? Because 24 hours time we have. All those are all time pass. Japa is a time pass. Tirtha Yatra is a time pass. Reading newspaper is a time pass. Everything is a time pass. What is time fulfilling? Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana. Okay. Esha Pradhanam Daivi Satviki Saptat. Next. Yatra cha yesham adhikrutanam ya prakritihi sambhavati satviki sa uchyate. See, this is a statement which was not needed. Until now, he is talking only about the gunas and giving explanation. For this line, which Daivi guna will you add? This is an odd statement Shankaracharya is making because there is no link for any gunas, isn't it? Yatra cha, somewhere he brings this. Yatra cha yesham adhikrutanam ya prakritihi sambhavati satviki sa uchyate. Very nicely he says, clever. In the previous line he said yesha pradhanam. Suppose a person cannot do or practice all these 20 virtues of 13th chapter and 26 virtues of 16th chapter. A person focuses only on jnanam. What should I do? I don't have time. Then he says, may you do your swadharma, that is enough for all, taking care of all this 20 plus 26 virtues. Swadharma anushtanam ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದನೇ ಚಿತ್ತ ಶುದ್ಧಿ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಸ್ವಧರ್ಮ ಅನುಷ್ಠಾನ ವೆರಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಬೀನ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಮ್ಮೆಮೋರಿಯಲ್. ಯತ್ರ ಚ ಯೇಷಾಂ ಅಧಿಕೃತಾನಾಂ. ಅಧಿಕೃತಾನಾಂ means a designated job according to your varna. Adhikrutanam means which is given by the Veda. Whatever a person does at a particular time, any area of work means according to the varna and ashrama, whatever a person does according to the ashrama rules, we have to supply that. Because according to the ashrama rules, adhikrutanam ya prakritihi sambhavanti satviki sa uchyate. That will become satvika gunaha. Beautiful. Performing that is called Daivi Sampat. Satviki Gunaha is equal to Daivi Sampat. If you are not able to practice this 20 plus 26, may you practice your Swadharma. That will bring you to Jnana Yoga Prapti. We will stop here and then we have to continue tomorrow. Tomorrow somehow we have to continue. If finish, if not, continue Wednesday also. Okay. Asatoma Sattamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om.